Salve, Harish Salve, are you there on the line now?
Yeah, I'm here, yes.
Arnab.
Mr. Salve? One
Yes.
sec. Mr. Salve, you're on the phone line?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, now you see, I hope Subramanian Swamy does not describe you also as an ignoramus.
Now don't start playing Shakuni here, okay?
I'm saying.
Yeah, you have a bad habit of playing the role of a Shakuni.
Well, this is reality.
Of course.
Sir,
why you put words in my mouth? Ask me what I want to say. Don't put words in my mouth.
Well, you can't go back.
I'm not going back on anything. You are the one who's going around in circles.
Subramanian Swamy, 1 minute, calm down please. You
calm down.
Question,
don't mention my name unnecessarily. Don't take my name in vain.
Dr. Swamy, you wouldn't stop me if I were to praise you.
I will try to stop you. I can stop you in 1,000 ways.
There can be a non-Subramanian Swamy point of view, is it? Or in India, is that not allowed?
Don't caricature these things. Again, you're being stupid.
Harish Salve, Subramanian Swamy premises his argument on the ludicrous question, what was the woman doing in the room? He should have known
I didn't say that.
The woman was called there to do...
Don't misrepresent me on that. Again, let me say what I wanted to say. Let me say what I wanted to say.
You said, please, you please allow me.
Yeah,
you said what was the girl doing in her room on Christmas Eve?
Don't misrepresent me. Don't tell lies.
It was this
because
man.
He has just come on the debate. He will believe you.
Sir, he has listened to the debate. Harish,
well, if he has listened to the debate, he should know I did not say that.
And if you did, could you please respond to him because he seems to be in no mood to listen to my questions.
Why should I listen? You're telling a lie.
Arnab, I think you need
Subramanian Swamy, please hear the other side now.
I think you need to get the debate back online. 1 year on since December 2012. I think we are in a very sorry situation. The Supreme Court judges are the holders of high office by high standards of institutional integrity. The real question to ask is, in the circumstances that exist today, do the principles of institutional integrity suggest that the judge should continue in office? Is it only a matter between him and his conscience? When it came to P.J. Thomas and the CVC, it was not a matter between him and his conscience. I understand the argument that an FIR should be filed. Whether Mr. Sibal files it, the girl files it, or why not the Delhi police suo taking cognizance. But that is the criminal law, and that's the criminal justice system being set in motion. Institutional integrity stands at a different level. It's an argument of morality. It's not a technical argument of law. And the second thing I want to say, and I want to say this strongly, that it is unfortunate to cast aspersions on Indira Jaising, who has campaigned all her life for women's rights.
Oh, yes.
If she has exposed this affidavit, I'm sure she's done it for the right reason, because she feels strongly about it. Knowing her personally, I don't think she cares a tuppence about what happened to the 2G licenses and their licensees and whether they got something or not. We as lawyers, over a period of time, win cases, lose cases, who cares? Let's focus on the issue at hand. Let's focus on whether these revelations would impel us to request Justice Ganguly to step down, and how and what standards do we as Indians set for those who hold public life. And let's not get bogged down about who said what and how. And I'm sorry to say, lastly, this argument about confidentiality rings hollow. The Supreme Court takes cognizance of much lesser material when it judges institutional integrity.
Well,
so to say that this is not admissible in evidence, I think is neither here nor there.
I give one more, Mr. Salve, thank you for joining us. You can stay on if you want. I give one more chance here today. Indira, go ahead.
Arnab, I hate to make comparisons, but I need to make this comparison here for the benefit of Mr. Subramanian Swamy. When it came to Tarun Tejpal, and when the argument in the public domain was that the BJP is getting back at him because
you will have a right to reply,
of the exposure of Bangaru Lakshman in a sting operation, it was people like Subramanian Swamy who came forward and said, no, the law is the law, and the law must take its own course when it comes to Tarun Tejpal. Today, he and the likes of him are telling me that I am trying to set the law in motion just because of the 2G judgments. As Salve said, I do not care about the 2G judgment. On the contrary, what I'm saying is the same judge who gave the 2G judgment saying that the rule of law must be maintained must now maintain the rule of law for himself. I'm only saying the judge has to live by the standards which he set for us, for the rest of the country. Live by those standards. And one more thing, Arnab. Listen, judges take an oath of office of allegiance to the Constitution of India. Am I to believe that the day they demit office, that oath is of no meaning? I'm a person who believes once a judge, always a judge. Till the day you die, you're a judge. And you know, many of them don't ever retire. They get into positions of power. They get into institutions. They get into tribunals. And you will find them continuing in these tribunals for a pretty long time, because the qualification for getting into this tribunal is that you've been a former judge of the Supreme Court or that you've been a judge of the High Court. That's how he got into the West Bengal Tribunal, Human Rights Commission in the first place. So let's face the issue up front. Are you willing to accept sexual harassment by judges of the Supreme Court of India or former judges of the Supreme Court of India? The answer has to be a loud and resounding no. Today, the Indian Supreme Court has become a matter of a laughing stock, not only in the country but also internationally. This is the moment when we have to retrieve the credibility of the Supreme Court by cleaning it up.
Yes, and
now right of reply. Now right of reply. You said I will get a right of reply. Now don't back off from it.
Yes, but yeah, after that we have a few more questions for you, Mr. Swamy.
Well, fine, but this right of reply I need to have. First of all, I said, prefacing my allegations, that if you say that Ganguly is hiding behind me, that's an allegation. Then I can make an allegation that you are after Ganguly because of the 2G judgment. I never said that she was doing it because of that. I said don't make allegations because counter allegations can be made. That's what I had said, and again she's twisted. This is the problem with this debate. None of them want to speak the truth. I am only saying, and as far as Mr. Salve is concerned, of the 2 points, one doesn't concern what I have said, the other one does concern, and he has upheld it. That yes, there is a criminal law, and that is a proper procedure to follow. Whoever files the FIR, whether it is Mr. Stipple or the
he has said.
So that part is what I am saying.
Dr. Swamy,
I am saying an FIR should be filed. There should be an investigation. Why are you running away from that?
Coming into the debate is Vrinda Grover. Dr. Swamy. Dr. Swamy, I thought you were a legal man.
I am.
And since the beginning of this debate,
I am telling you what the legality is. The legality is that once a crime has been disclosed, an FIR must be registered and an investigation must be carried on.
Sir, you've already... Sir, 1 minute. Sir, you've already got your mythology mixed up.
What mythology mixed up? You are the one who's mixing up everything. You know,
I thought you made a reference to me.
The word, that once an allegation is made, an FIR must be registered.
On a lighter note,
an FIR must lead to an investigation.
Subramanian Swamy, you're all worked up today. You're not listening to me.
I am not worked up.
On a lighter note, you must be meaning Narad, not Shakuni.
And if I am Narad, I am told you're totally confused.
Which I think is what you
come up with your mind made up. You're not moderating anymore.
I'd say that Mr. Ganguly is the Duryodhan. And in any case, Dr. Subramanian Swamy, with the greatest of respect to you,